It's an absolute real estate auction of Lake County, Tennessee property presented by James R. Cash, the auctioneer and real estate broker. 149 acres and 3 properties near Tiptonville, Tennessee, inside the Mississippi River's Kentucky Bend. Property 1 borders the mighty Mississippi with 7+ acres of woods, recreational, and farmland. Property 2 is a real income producer, 93 acres of prime productive farmland with tremendous road frontage along Highway 22. Property 3 is 48 acres of recreational land with fantastic hunting and waterfowl. This absolute real estate auction will be held at 1 p.m. on Sunday, September 8th at the Reelfoot Lake State Park Visitor Center near Tiptonville, Tennessee. Get more details by visiting our website, jamesrcashauctions.com. 149 acres and 3 properties, selling auction style.